Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to delete all apps on iPhone. First, go to an app on the home screen. Long press it, then you need to click on Remove App. Here you can click on Delete App in order to remove it. Next, select all the apps at once. One by one, tap on the minus sign for each of the apps you want to remove. Then, tap on Delete App. Keep on deleting the apps which you want to. Next, unselect all the apps. Doing so, you can delete all the apps on the iPhone. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.